Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQLite. So in previous episode I've been talking about function limit and the way for you to select only a limited number of rows from the beginning of the table. What actually I've been thinking about, maybe you would like to know how to do that in reverse order. What if you would like to select only a few last element in the table, only the bottom part of the table, let's say only two elements at the end? Well, there is no direct way to do that in SQLite, but you have a really simple way around. Let me show you how you are going to do that. I'm using the exact same database like in previous episode. If we execute this code, you see we got the last two elements from our table. And let me explain you how this piece of code works. First part, it's quite simple. We are selecting all from table item. And now this second part, order by item ID descending. Well, that is part where magic happens. So what is all about? We are selecting our table, but not from the first value, but from the last. And then with this limit 2, we are going to cut first two elements from our table. Well, that is a really simple way around, but you see, where is the problem in here? With reversing order, we are going to receive this kind of result. First, we are going to have our last row and then one before last, but how to solve that problem? But of course, there is a really simple way around this problem. We are going to rearrange this code a little bit. I'm going to put this in brackets and I'm going to type select all from item order by item ID descending limit 2, and then I'm going to use order by once again, and I'm going to order everything by item ID. And if we run this code, we have this table rearranged. We have only last few elements, but in real order. First is going to be number 4 and then number 5. So if you have some problem with SQLite, don't worry. There are a lot of ways to use your code in order to get desirable result. So that's all for now, guys. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.